You can customise just about anything with the 3Doodler Create Plus. Today, we're going to turn an ordinary smartphone into an avocado. You can customise your phone your way. So if avocado isn't your thing, don't worry. We've got loads of different designs that you can try. Here we've got sunny side egg, a palm leaf, or any pattern you like. You can even add great details like a card holder or a little handle. The PLA plastic that we're using is made from cornstarch. You can make loads of different phone cases and not feel bad about the environment. To get started on our pop art phone case, first thing we're going to do is cover our smartphone in masking tape. Masking tape just helps to peel it off afterwards. Start off with the avocado stone. We're going to be using the brownie brown PLA plastic, and we're going to be using the techniques that we learned earlier. The first one being the squiggle line. I'm going to start with the outline, remembering to hover the tip of the pen a little bit off the page just to allow the plastic to extrude in a very squiggly way. Once we've done our squiggle, we're going to go straight into the noodle technique, lifting it a little bit more off the page to create some height. We can be quite sculptural with this and keep building up the layers to make the dome shape of the stone. I've now finished the stone. It's got a beautiful 3D dome shape, and I'm going to switch over to our practically pistachio PLA filament using the technique that I showed earlier with reversing the plastic and inserting the new one. So now I'm going to doodle around the edge very carefully. We're using our noodle technique again. Once we've done the outline, we can then start building up the plastic around. Before we start doodling onto the phone, we're going to mark out where all of the buttons are so you don't cover them by mistake. We can now place the doodle onto the phone and get it in the right position, ready to continue. It's totally safe to doodle directly onto your phone. We've got the masking tape there. That's going to protect the phone and allows it to be peeled off really easily. You can do this technique with any smartphone or handheld device. I've now swapped over to the greener grass plastic, and we're just going to do a small border around the edge. We're ready to go onto the skin of the avocado, which is going to go all the way around the edge. Make sure to avoid the buttons. If you cover them over, you won't be able to use them. Doodling directly onto your phone, make sure you get a really snug fit. The next step is to very carefully remove the phone case. When you're working with the PLA, it's going to be bonding to the masking tape, and you just want to make sure that you can get it off. We can then put it back on and continue to doodle all the way around this edge here. You can even go a little bit over the edge here, just so it's on there really securely. I've just finished the avocado phone case, so let's turn it over and take a look. As you can see on the side, I've left a hole here where the buttons are going to go. This is the gap where our phone charger is going to go, also our headphones. If I turn it over, you can see all the way around the edge. There's a nice lip going over the edge of the phone, so that's going to ensure that it has a really snug fit. Customise your phone your way with a bit of imagination and the 3Doodler Create Plus.